pure fun. So today we are coming with a new experiment by my twin sisters. And the experiment is with vegetables and this is related to KG1 students. Watch and enjoy the video.
Hi friends, I am Ayisha and I am Fathima. Sing and for experiment. First one, tap, tap. And water and vegetables. Put the potato. Wow! Potato sinks down. And put the lemon. Lemon sinks down. And put the carrot. Carrot sinks down. And put the onion. Onion floats up. And put the beetroot. Beetroot sinks down. And put the tomato. Tomato floats up. And put the lady's finger. Lady's finger floats up. And put the green chili. Green chili floats up. And put the cucumber. Cucumber floats up. Every vegetable sinks down and the vegetables float up. Thank you. Thank you.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video and try this experiment with your kids. Like, share and subscribe and also don't forget to comment your feedback. Bye.